Hello children, welcome back. This is Maushami Chakravarti and today I would like to continue with the discussion on the chapter Bills of Exchange, case number 5, Dishonor of the Bill. Dishonor of the bill means a situation when the acceptor of the bill does not pay the amount. The holder of the bill can recover the amount from the drawee or any of the previous endorser. The holder of the bill may present the bill through a notary public and get the dishonor of the bill noted. The noting is the recording by a notary public that the bill was dishonored. On it being presented for payment, noting is made. And although dishonor of the bill, we will undergo with the three cases, that is when the drawer is the holder, when the bank is the holder, and when the endorsee is the holder. So let us move on with the first question, that is Amar sold goods of rupees 50,000 to Bhaskar on 1st January 2019 and on the same day he drew a bill on Bhaskar at 3 months for the amount. The bill is duly accepted but dishonored on the due date. Amar pays rupees 1,000 as noting charges. Record the transaction in the books of Amar and Bhaskar. So let us start with the transaction. This is when the drawer is the holder of the bill. So in the books of Amar, drawer, and in the books of Bhaskar, drawee. First transaction 2019 January 1. Bhaskar account debit to sales account being sold goods on credit 50,000. Reverse entry purchases account debit to Amar account being purchased goods on credit 50,000. January 1 in the books of Amar, bills receivable account debit to Bhaskar being the acceptance received 50,000. January 1 in the books of Bhaskar, Amar account debit to bills payable account being the acceptance given 50,000. April 4, that is Bhaskar account debit to bills receivable account to bank account 51,000, 50,000 and 1,000 being the bill dishonored and noting charges paid. April 4 in the books of drawee, bills payable account debit 50,000, noting charges account debit 1,000 to Amar account 51,000 being the bill dishonored and noting charges paid by Amar. Moving on to the next, when the bank is the holder of the bill. On 1st January 2019, Amrit sold goods to Bhanu for rupees 50,000 and on the same day drew upon him a bill at 3 months for the amount. Bhanu accepted the bill and returned it to Amrit. On 4th January 2019, Amrit discounted the bill with his bank at rupees 49,000. On the due date, the bill was dishonored and the bank paid 1,000 as noting charges. We need to pass on the journal entry in the books of Amrit and Bhanu. So this is the case where dishonor of the bill and the bank is the holder of the bill. So in the books of Amrit and in the books of Bhanu, the first entry for Amrit, Bhanu account debit to sales account being sold goods on credit 50,000. 2019 January 1 purchases account debit to Amrit account 50,000 being purchased goods on credit. January 1 bills receivable account debit to Bhanu account being the acceptance received 50,000. January 1 Amrit account debit to bills payable account being the acceptance given 50,000. January 4 bank account debit discounting charges account debit 1,000 to bills receivable account 50,000, that is being the bill dishonored and noting charges paid. April 4, that is bank account debit Bhanu account debit to bank account being the bill dishonored and noting charges paid by bank 51,000. April 4 bills payable account debit noting charges account debit to Amrit account being the bill dishonored and noting charges paid by Amrit 50,000, 1,000 and 51,000. Moving on to the third category, when the endorsee is the holder of the bill. On 1st January 2019, A drew a bill on rupees 50,000 for B payable after 3 months. B accepted the bill and returned it to A. After 10 days, A endorsed the bill to his creditor C. On the due date, the bill was dishonored and C paid rupees 100 as noting charges. We need to record the journal entry in the books of A, B, C. So this is when the endorsee is the holder of the bill. So in the books of A, drawer, and in the books of B, drawee. Drawer first entry, bills receivable account debit to B's account being the acceptance of the bill received 5,000. Reverse entry January 1, A's account debit to bills payable account being the acceptance given 5,000. January 11 after 10 days, that is it was endorsed. So C account debit to bills receivable account being the bill endorsed to C 5,000. Then it will be by mistake April 4, it is B's account debit to C's account being the bill dishonored and noting charges paid by C 5,100. April 4, bills payable account debit to noting charges account debit to A's account, that is 5,000, 1,100 and 5,100, being the bill dishonored and noting charges paid. Moving on to the endorsee account, that is in the books of Mr. C, endorsee. First entry will be bills receivable account debit to A account, being a bill received from A 5,000, and April 4, A's account debit 5,100 to bills receivable account to bank account 100 it will be, and the upper one 5,000. So total it will be 5,100, being the bill dishonored and noting charges paid only rupees 100. By mistake it is written 1,000. So I hope the entire chapter of bills of exchange is clear to you all. The next chapter shall be continued in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day.